Hey TechVerse family! Welcome back to your go-to channel for all things tech, leaks, and gadget updates. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the community for the latest on cutting-edge technology. Today, we're unpacking all the exciting details about Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7, features, specs, and whether this might just be the foldable of the year. Samsung's 2025 foldable lineup is gearing up to impress with the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7, both set to maintain the same price as their predecessors. Great news for fans. Leaks suggest starting prices of Indian rupee 164,999 for the Fold 7 and Indian rupee 109,999 for the Flip 7 in India, with a more affordable Galaxy Z Flip FE also rumored. Powered by the Exynos 2500 chipset, these foldables promise top-notch performance. Display upgrades include an 8-inch internal and 6.5-inch cover screen for the Fold 7, while the Flip 7 boasts a larger 6.85-inch main display and a 4-inch cover screen. Both devices are also rumored to be 10% thinner, making them sleeker than ever. With Samsung's next Unpacked event expected around July-August, the countdown has begun for these highly anticipated foldables to make their grand debut. Are you ready for the next evolution in foldable tech? If your answer is yes, then like, follow, share, and subscribe the TechVerse channel and give a chance to say thanks.